If you're looking for an honest, dependable, and trustworthy auto repair facility, consider Childress Auto Sales for your foreign, domestic, and luxury vehicles. Here at Childress Auto, we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, affordable, and convenient. We have loaner cars available, so you don't have to sit around and wait for repairs or take a day off work. It's as simple as 1. Drop your car off. 2. Take our loaner car. 3. We'll call you when it's time to pick up your vehicle. Our technicians have over 25 years of experience working on all types of vehicles. Whether your car needs brakes, tires, a check engine light diagnostic, routine maintenance, or help with a failed Ohio e-check, we can do it all. We are a family-owned and operated business located at 489 Highland Road East in Macedonia. We're on the corner of Highland and South Bedford near Nordonia High School and Fun and Stuff Amusement Park. Contact us now at 888-977-6446 or visit us at childressautos.com to schedule quality work today.